In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code using Canva. This is a super handy tool for when you want to share links easily, be it for a website, a portfolio, or any online content you want people to access quickly. So, let's dive right into the process. First, open your web browser and head over to Canva's website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up for one, which is straightforward and won't take long. Once you're logged into your Canva dashboard, you'll notice a variety of tools, templates, and design options at your disposal. Next, find and select the Apps option. This is usually located on the left side of the screen, represented by an icon that might look somewhat like a grid. The Apps section is where you'll find various integrations and tools that Canva offers to enhance your design workflow. Moving on, within this Apps section, you'll want to look for the QR code generator. You can do this by typing QR code into the search bar located at the top of the page. Once you've entered the search, you'll see the QR code app pop up in the results. Simply click on it to proceed. After selecting the QR code app, you'll see an option to open it. Click Open, and this will lead you to a new section dedicated to generating QR codes. Here's where the magic happens. It's straightforward and requires just a couple of clicks. Now, you need a link for which you want to generate a QR code. This could be a link to your website, an event page, a PDF, or any online resource you fancy sharing easily. Copy the link's URL and return to the QR code generator window. In the QR code generator, you'll notice a text box where you can paste the link you copied. Simply right-click in the box or use the keyboard shortcut to paste your link there. Make sure you double-check the URL before proceeding to ensure it's correct and complete. Once the link is in place, all that's left is to generate the code. You can do this by clicking the Generate Code button, which is conveniently located next to the text box. And there you have it. Canva will instantly produce a QR code for you. You can now use this QR code in any of your current designs or download it for use elsewhere. To download, just click on the Download button and select the preferred file format. This tool is not only easy to use, but incredibly useful for anyone looking to distribute information seamlessly. Thanks for watching and happy designing on Canva.